Thanksgiving at Our House, written and illustrated by P.K. Hallinan. I'm glad for Thanksgiving. It's a wonderful day to count all the blessings that friends bring our way. First, there's my family. We're friends, tried and true, and every Thanksgiving our friendship shines through. We nibble on pancakes as we watch the parades. We dress up like pilgrims and Indian braves. We like to pinch in with the Thanksgiving meal, from carrying berries to carting off peels. And we keep a close eye on the whipped cream and pie. Then come my playmates. What a wonderful crew of happy companions, and so comical too. We like to go hiking in the brisk morning breeze. We dive into piles of colorful leaves. And sooner or later we're certain to play a game of touch football, running every which way. And when we're all done, we collapse from the fun, but with eyes on the clock, we go back down the block. And soon come my relatives, great friends one and all. Happy Thanksgiving we cheerfully call. Then our living room reels with hilarious squeals, till we race to our places for the Thanksgiving meal. And it never is long before we break into song. Later that day, as we're saying goodbye, there's one final friend who catches my eye. My trusty dog Rusty is sitting at my feet, impatiently waiting for a Thanksgiving treat. But I know he's been fed, so I pet him instead. Yes, Thanksgiving offers some wonderful ways to appreciate friendship that brighten our days. So I'm grateful for blessings that just never end, but mostly I'm thankful for all of my friends. The end. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification bell. And also check out my other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye!